Treat every moment as your last. It is not preparation for something else. If your mind is empty, it is always ready for anything. It is open to everything. In the beginner's mind, there are many possibilities, but in the expert's mind, there are few. Wherever you are one with the clouds and one with the sun and the stars you see. You are one with everything. That is more true than I can say, and more true than you can hear. Nothing we see or hear is perfect, but right there in the imperfection is perfect reality. Each of you is perfect the way you are, and you can use a little improvement. To have some deep feeling about Buddhism is not the point. We just do what we should do, like eating supper and going to bed. This is Buddhism. What we call I is just a swinging door which moves when we inhale and when we exhale. Life is like stepping onto a boat which is about to sail out to sea and sink. The most important point is to accept yourself and stand on your own 2 feet. We do not exist for the sake of something else. We exist for the sake of ourselves. When something dies is the greatest teaching. In Zazen, you leave your front door and your back door open. Let thoughts come and go. Just don't serve them tea. Emotionally, we have many problems, but these problems are not actual problems. They are something created. They are problems pointed out by our self-centered ideas or views. We should not hoard knowledge. We should be free from our knowledge. The person who can freely acknowledge that life is full of difficulties can be free, because they are acknowledging the nature of life, that it can't be much else. When we have our body and mind in order, everything else will exist in the right place, in the right way. Each one of us must make his own true way, and when we do, that way will express the universal way. You should rather be grateful for the weeds, because eventually they will enrich your practice. When you bow, you should just bow. When you sit, you should just sit. When you eat, you should just eat. Whether you have a problem in your life or not depends upon your own attitude. your own understanding. Moment after moment, everyone comes out from nothingness. This is the true joy of life. Just continue in your calm, ordinary practice, and your character will be built up. There is no particular way in true practice. You should find your own way, and you should know what kind of practice you have right now. For the beginner, practice without effort is not true practice. There is no easy way to be a teacher or a disciple, although it must be the greatest joy in this life. There is no gap between the ignorant and the wise. A foolish person is a wise person. A wise person is a foolish person. When you understand one thing through and through, you understand everything. When you try to understand everything, you will not understand anything.